the hell you got done to this thing, bro? It's not stock.
I don't even know what's
It's not stock.
I can't tell it. I can't release the information. I don't know what's done to it.
If you guys have been following the channel, you know that I've been looking at the M5 competition to buy. It was a pre-LCI, a 2020. I took it for a drive. And that exhaust rumble right here, this exhaust rumble right here is what made me like love this car, fall in love with this car. Obviously, it's a big boss down car. Look at the backs. The CS is a completely different beast. Once again, like the M3CS was. But the back seat of here, you got your own form of carbon buckets. They definitely look a little bit more comfortable than the fronts, but just look at that. In the back, and the view is simply amazing. We're talking about a frozen paint. This is a green on a gold. Every single CS gets the gold package, you know, and nicely done, tastefully. Let me go in the front. See, very, very, very similar seats. You see, I threw up the DJI, which is a phenomenal camera. We got his 911 in the background. Interior vibes is crazy. Now, it does look similar. All these cars look very similar, like competition to CS and everything. But from driving an M3CS a couple of minutes ago, they're not the same car. Don takes care of his cars for real, for real. Y'all know my cars be looking used and abused, but this is nice. Little matte carbon fiber. Definitely looks a lot more luxurious. More ambient lighting around the thing. Same black setup with the interior, but the exterior color combo is always something special. You see what I'm saying? It's hard to place where the cars are too.
Yeah, whoa, you're scaring me.
Whoa, he's on them in my line.
You're scaring me.
Nah.
Oh my gosh. Guys, he's scaring me. Oh, I can't even hold the camera straight. Oh. I wish I could see how fast he's going, man. I wish I could. Oh my gosh. Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. This camera's shaking all over.
You see what I'm saying? Now you get it?
Right.
You get it?
You got it.
You see what the M5 is different.
Oh yeah, baby.
Nah, that's not. Nah, you way. I don't want to hear that, bro. I'm chilling right now, bro. You was on some shit.
Oh man, yo.
You know what it is? This is like. Yeah, that's what you was on. This thing just. What's scary about the M5CS to me is the fact that it's like, it doesn't feel scary doing it.
Right.
Because it's like, how do you know when enough is too much? Like, how do you know? You don't know.
You don't know.
It's like, that was 120 and we're going on the up. You know what I mean? It's like, how do we know? The M3CS, you can play around, you can chuck it, you can throw it, right? And it's like, it doesn't bite you so much. I don't know if it's because it doesn't have that torque like this V8 has, or like the big body mass. Like, this feels like I'm rolling down the street in like a wrecking ball, you know what I mean?
Like slow speed.
Damn, bro.
You love putting that gas.
None of this. This one obviously less carbon, but it's more business class.
Yeah. I love this car, man. I super love this car.
This thing is nice. It's perfect for roads like this. What I've noticed is, though, the M3CS is never bouncy. This is fairly soft and a little bit of bouncy and comfort.
I think I was telling you, like a little bit more.
Yeah, but I've noticed when we were doing 170, well, not we, but the guy that was driving the other day, when he was doing 170, yo, it was a little bit. I go straight, right?
Oh shit,
yeah. All right, cool. It felt like this too, but I kind of chalked it up to this giving you more grip. It's kind of scary because you pass right by the cop thinking you're doing nothing wrong.
Cruising, right?
Nothing wrong, bro.
Why you doing 87 miles an hour in a 50? But thank God we're in Mexico.
Facts, right? I'm about to say, damn, you just gave him everything.
Yeah, nah, we're in Mexico though. Mexico speed limit's a little different. You get away with stuff.
Facts. Nah, bro, but I'm telling you right now, man, this right here is nice, man. It's just nice how, like, I thought the M3CS could go back and forth, like, quick, like, you know, chill to race. This shit right here goes from chill to death trap in like one press of a button, bro, or M2. It doesn't matter which one you pick, but.
Well, I don't want to let this shit go, bro.
Nah,
The good news is the M4 is not that bad. The M4, compared to the M3CS and the M5, I would give the M4, this car right here, a 7.8. A 7.8. I don't want to give it a 8 yet. So, we out of the BMWs and we in the Porsche.
Yes.
That's Pardonis. I swear to you, he really hyped you up thinking this thing is a Porsche, bro.
Got a Porsche engine, don't it?
Huh?
It has a Porsche engine.
They got a Volkswagen engine. The Porsches happen to have this engine in it too. This is a Volkswagen.
Sounds like Porsche is ripping you off.
A little bit of that, the grip. Look at that.
You see it. You see
You
it.
see it here first. Hey guys, like the stash. I was playing around a little bit. I was gonna cut the whole thing off, but I realized I killed it with the beard. Like I did a good job on the beard. I can't let that go. But I already did the mustache before that. And the lineup's not bad too. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about budget cuts, baby. Did that for $3.99.
Mm-hmm.
To the right?
Yeah, I think
To
so.
the right? Look at this. Look at this corner right here. Hold on.
We leaning. Woo!
Man, the brake right on the brakes.
You hear that?
Just like that.
You hear that?
I don't hear anything. What do you mean?
Exactly my point. On them brakes. That was a good one.
It only do it when my car is cold. When it's cold outside, it only speaks.
Okay.
Man, that should be embarrassing, yo.
I'm here. Hop in.
I'm Superman. Where's my cape? Now I've officially retired. Tired of saving these hoes.
I thought it was gonna be a simple
Yeah,
fix.
we only got one mic. We're gonna make it work. Nice and close, baby.
I thought it was a simple fix, and one clip led to another, and this is where I'm at right now.
Even the headlights fucked up. All right, so boom. I can take the headlight, use the same Bondo thing. I Bondo, not Bondo, epoxy. Yo, somebody hold the headlight? So put this back on. Let me see if I could get up under there. Where's the screws at for this top? Just throw them in there slightly. Got it? Anyway. Yo, this is perfect. The one headlight, big turbo.
You're gonna flame me in the comments.
Me?
Nah,